celebration 2025.
Preserve and conserve the wildlife and it's very important because differences say being human being and animals yam khetnaba leite haye, but the only difference noi kangbra students miyam, what is the difference between human being and animals? It's the thinking sense laibagi haye human beings ego. We all the same because human beings, we are also social animals ni haye. We are also animals. Term tawebako ekoi busu adubu, the only difference is the thinking sense laibado aduna, because of humans selfish oibado ekoi ki selfishness duna, we are risking the life, the wildlife haibane, we are risking the life of animals. Ekoi ki selfish ki motive ki ekoi na hingnabagi damakta ekoi we are giving a hardships to the wildlife haibane moi ki existence ki ekoi na hardship piye haye aduna, being having the sense of thinking power, we should think for the future coexistence ecosystem se balance lainabagi. Let us collectively think together so that we can create a proper, peaceful environment even for the species. Makoisu phazana hingnabagi damakta ekoi chance pirese haibane. So being the citizens, being a good citizen haisara ekoi mayam se, let us take the responsibility to create a clean, good, peaceful environment for all the species to live together. Not only in THOUBAL, Amar Falcon lakpa matamda, it's in my village itself, I kunduda laaga migrate tora ebako. The forest division khangde, the district committee khangde moina kanna thinga kasu. Legally moina lawful oiba tawraga, so we human are very unlawful haibatare ekoi se yam lawful oida but illegal oiba thabak se yam tawgaleba aduna. With the kind of wisdom that we have, we should think legally, lawfully, act legally, lawfully haibato tawrase haina. Let us start from me, let us start from you, let us start from each one of us. Environment is it aduga when we use chemicals human ki selfishness aigi khatang khanbagi damakta we are kari mot han bahai batare environment se aduna mot han lagadi other species se hingba ngamaroiba aduna. Since we want to live, let us also let the other species live. Haibada haizarga mayam sida mot manarga asmaina atsigi wakhanda leiraga environment wildlife khangde phazana hinghanaba haibada adum oi halase hairaga